Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: KHADC Chief Executive Member Tito Starwell Khan inaugurates tourist spot Kshatprut in Sora. Meghalaya women referee chosen referee in 2nd Division of I-League qualifiers in Bengaluru. Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital to start BSc Nursing College in Shillong. National Highway Authority of India criticized for not repairing the road over Umthro Bridge. And now the news in detail. The Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Tito Starwell Khan, today inaugurated the tourist spot like Lindop in Sora in East Khasi Hills District. The inaugural program was enlivened with song presentation and recitation of proverbs by the residents of Lindop. Speaking on the occasion, Khan said the people should tell the tourists about their myths and legends that they have received from their forefathers. He said stories will be cherished with fond memories when the tourists go back to their own places. Speaking on the occasion, the head of Education Department, Sora Government College, Sora, Lucia Sindram, and nature lover urged the gathering to keep the tourist spot clean so that the magnificent Prut waterfalls is kept intact. The Secretary of Lindop, Shanbor Kongsit, explained the genesis and meaning of Prut waterfalls.
Long kabakam internet susu pakan long kabakam bit kambiang ya kejingwan jong kinong jok kai. Tenakaliang ke jong akum nong mikmat kat ibor ibarit ibangadon ngin se perkat lang bat kiri rong ba jong kesnong kai kebangan le nakabenta ban penbha penbiat ya kini kecekakat balak nakaliang ke jong akum nong mikmat kumo fitip ada UMDC kabor kabarit rekat bangala nakaliang kejungangan sanok senyang lang nakabenta banang penbah syuk ya kini keceka pemangalaong mana bangan saya kesyong bat usordat bat kiri rong ba jong kesnong ban pej ba kejing don kam kanong kabebit babiang nakabenta kejingwan jong kinong ngokai dengan musim ya kapor namar ngasutu pilayawan na duk mana laya thaj ya dekat kejat dan hang mi kilong kemi kibla kham temen kham nok kerta te nganumbat ya kapor hangai balik si kapor kala kham mo la kham sngi te tharai boro na preng jong phiru la ya kham thangan lai kenru kapor te ngatharai ngi la dei kapor ya kapan penkut no ekni program dengan ngasukit bokit wiang na kaliang kecunga bat nga ai kublai kerpang ya baro kini ki samla ki bela ai ki jing ai subha ya nga bila ai ru ya ka jing priang subha na kaliang jong kilong kemi na tanga ai kublai kerpang ru ya kinong ruai kinong pawar ba kham tam utu samla wala daudon hapedeng ka jing duna jong ka jing jong ki khot met ki jong e henry kam shimla pensange e mo kawan lani kam shimla pen du mensi mi u baun mi syakmat ban pen pau ya kasap kepong kebaudon nga timenta kat kum kapang ke balabu balamat pang dai nong yalam ngilum la ban pen bakla uniu plang mangabat hang ni uniu plang la yap stai na marga sngi kala penjelop mendaga sngi na marga jingcit kerang kaya kemen lang don na penjungi le sai ki balai thu yau ne bat don ro ki bumpat itu pin satip na du menta une ude we ude sembai jing thung sembai wau bleng la ber sembai hagane ka meram eu ni pule kitab Genesis hagal nong ka badeng kong kasngi ka baar ka ba hukum uble la ai ka meram eu la ai hukum do blay ban penmi ki sambai ding babun jaj bat ki jajing tha bo per ki ban pen internet ban pen kup pen phong ye ga me mariam ban utaw de we uneu jaj u bangi khot kerteng menta uprut teneng yo kene ke kerteng prut mangi mentang ilong kapateng ga bahadin dan ki buon spas nem kilong suaman suajeng in rasnong ladap badha ka por ka banga nganganong long kena Kili alap khana balai. Namar ha kapur. Jong nu ubna banwan. Ubna risau ubna Oktober. Habar soot. Nyili ya khar soot. Bar habai khar soot. Udon undung jat pulang. Dalayawan bagatay bercinrang. Last year terus. Ya kamet. Ya ketiga kejat. Warga keman. Balai. Dalayawan di kadau. Amialak balai kejak kumni. Ya kemen habai usot. Rai. Kadai kamet baru kawai. Ya terus. Kadai buj. Bat kena ke kantin. Dah kajing siang pang kajing start jing gelom shua man shua. Hakanya ka ba mangingi terus. Lai ka kerteng perut. Balai. Namar uneu daj. Hangne ki bun ki kenyang. Ki basok kamtam. Hakanya ka por ka ba menta. Hak ka por badak yang sau. Pias nguk tu pi ki balai thangra. Pi ki balai saklau. Ki balai lengkha se poriwar. Pis mutu. Bat kabar. Kali kajing mut uneu perut. Uneu perut dei wei jat jing tung. Bau bleu labu ban bet sembai ya gejak dieng baper. Kan bau nu perut ulang don. Hakan nu kejaka. Ampat don dieng iwai ruem. Balang ba kajing sanyum ju nu perut. Kiba kemen kiba syong hapo aja une.
The lone referee of Meghalaya, Shillong, who holds the FIFA badge referee, has been chosen to be one of the referees in the second division of I-League qualifiers to be held in Bengaluru from the 4th to 23rd of October this year. Dhar has also been chosen to be the referee in the AFC Women's Asian Cup to be held in India from the 14th to the 25th of October. She has also been chosen to be one of the referees in one of the football tournaments in Kyrgyzstan Republic. She belongs to the Meghalaya Police and holds the rank of constable. Members of Shillong Referees Association are proud of her achievement.
Nakaliang jangan koi ngas kontanat Meghalaya ASHA namar bakoi kalong kantam mentangan dekat condition I-League kaban Shillong Shen hab Bangalore kan sesenang du Saudri kalong basngotanat namar kantam kedi kan deka first time bagi kadai kasian kong ma baka AIFF kan select kentai ben official ki match nang nama duduk mensyua kat tu kila adan ki FIFA ki basinia jong niru ki kentai mensyua ki pat ju sha select ma benda bat kasian kong bagi sha select dalam masukana ma bagi sha bagi island ni but ya kabangan select do sha kaban selong ha Kyrgyzstan benda ke AFC Cup mana kini ha jing siang amul lek Lebanon tang ba adan ki jing kidau bakim la ban kia ki shift na ya ka tu kajakam de shu Lebanon mentangan hamlen asyik Kyrgyzstan kaban selong ha o Oktober ka kata ro da kan ki level ki banga syai punya kantam jong ke AFC kani kan de ka tournament ka de ka bahe adu ka bangala de officiate ka ki bangala de moment chuang asyik le ki under age tada compare bet ki tu ki kani kan sele ka game ka bakham ong ka bakham top mai nga bangan officiate kalong kawe na ka opportunity ka ba crowd ha bangan yo bangan learn kantam ka jing hikai ka bangan yo state try kan sakham bha shu bangan yo jing mun pai ni state kum ki referee da ngan ong ka jing pung kha hi kantam yang asimet te kami ni mde tang yang asimet da de ban kum ki referee mi de ban train yala de ka fitness ni ma ban kantam ban ka badan kam hai ni bat so ko ka kwat ru min hapule ma ka loss of the game ru kadan kam ni ma ba ting tang tang da ka fitness dang ngim nang ban pule ka loss of the game ngimla ban penya ya ka game ma ding tang isula mare dang ngim nang ya ka loss of the game but kumno ngim judge ki players da kile pakla ta kawai hi kamin ta mga ong ka fitness hi kamin ta ngashu practice kunto man ka jalmi chini chepulu ha wa MFA ground.
Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital at Jaya in Shillong will start the BSc Nursing College in Shillong. The college will relieve nursing students from going to study outside the state. The college, which has been constructed with financial support from the Presbyterian Church of Wales, was inaugurated today by Reverend D. Rambai, moderator of KGP Assembly, in the presence of hospital authorities including the chairman of the governing board, Reverend S.S. Majau, the medical superintendent, Dr. R. Nongrum, administrative officer, K.W. Marbanyang, and others. The president of Presbyterian Church of Wales delivered his talk online.
Course Kanang bakin laban improve ya nursing education hakabai bat national health policy framework jang ka sarkar daka bakin hab ban ai daka single entry level kata kemut ke BSc nursing hapokan nursing education te hakabede bat kani ki babon ki school ki college ki la persang kala bala ban persang ban upgrade no mo kata ke GNM ka college of nursing dre hadin ka to kani por pra na ka INC kala pha biang ya ka we ka notification pada ban ong ba ya ka kumba kalong menta ka situation ngin hap ban upshwa ya ka ni ka ban upgrade igini school bakin upgrade ka college kitu ki bala le ka process ki la ban go ahead ndre gani ke GN course kamut kanang la iban continue nadu ka snam academic session arpo arpuir undang la lani arpo arpuir arpuar undang la til ki ai padak we ka jingpen bana te kumbang itip hi kaniga school jongi ka bade jong ani ka hospital ka bakala jandap sispa snami te ngi pen pauru ya jing ai kublei ki matron ki ba la don ha ki bla seng ya kani ka school ki ba tre po hospital na po wheels nang te ki bawan ha kani ka school of nursing ban hikairu ban shim ha ka juga por ya nursing education ban ya nursing services ya ka hospital ki petlang ya ka school ban ai training ru ki petlang te kumbang la mention mene iwe ne kita ide ini Margaret Elizabeth Buckley iba tray yang ni postal na kosnam 1919 na duksnam 1930 natai ba ar pade ide Mr. Catherine Bullock itari ba tray na duksnam 1947 to 1968 natai wan sa iwe pade Miss Margaret Owen kini kide ki matron hadin nang to pade kila change ga designation ka
yang ihari akti Ibalang Harry Wales Iai Kuble Yaki Ni Kurtat Yeo Blay Banyara Ye Ni Bado Blay Ubala Baro Usa Jubab. I hope you've heard that. I hope you understand that. Thank you so much for distinguished guests, moderators, brothers and sisters in Christ. Thank you for this great honor.
The National Highway Authority of India has been strongly criticized for not repairing the road over Umthro Bridge in Ribhoi district. The passengers who pass through this road every day said their bodies are in pain when the vehicles pass through this dilapidated road. They also alleged that the National Highway Authority is more interested in collecting money through its toll gate at the 20th mile in Ribhoi district. The Khasi Students' Union of Umsning, Patarim and Umsning Circle, supported by local fish rearers of Ribhoi district, have given 1 week's time for the non-tribal fish sellers to leave the place because of their involvement in malpractice while measuring the fish. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.